Will hair dye work better on wet hair?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're answering a question that many DIY hair color enthusiasts grapple with. Will hair dye work better on wet hair? As we explore this topic, we'll be shedding light on the best practices to achieve vibrant, long-lasting color right at home.
What is the usual practice?
Traditionally, most hair dye products are applied on dry, unwashed hair. There are a few reasons for this. Firstly, the natural oils in your hair can help protect your scalp during the coloring process. Secondly, dye tends to adhere better to dry hair, resulting in more accurate and vivid color results.
Can you dye your hair when it's wet?
There are some instances where hair color might be applied to wet hair, but this isn't the norm. Some types of dyes, particularly semi-permanent or color-depositing dyes, could potentially be applied to wet hair. However, it's essential to understand that applying dye to wet hair can dilute the color and might result in less vibrant color output.
Why dry hair is better for dyeing?
When your hair is dry, it is more absorbent and receptive to the dye. This helps the dye penetrate the hair shaft more effectively, leading to a more vibrant, long-lasting color. Additionally, applying dye on dry hair allows for more precise application, reducing the chances of missing patches and creating uneven color.
Is there any exception to this rule?
Yes, there is an exception. When it comes to toners and glosses, they are often applied on damp hair. This is because toners and glosses are meant to subtly enhance or adjust the tone of your hair color, not to drastically change it. Hence, damp hair works perfectly fine for these types of products. So to wrap up our discussion, the answer is no, hair dye typically does not work better on wet hair. For the most vibrant and enduring results, it's best to apply dye to dry, unwashed hair. Of course, always follow the instructions on your specific dye product as guidelines can vary. Happy coloring, and we hope this video has been helpful in your hair dyeing journey.